Hi everyone, I'm Rui. This video is part of our event and job management demo that describes a media service digital supply chain use case. In this video, we will be looking at a couple of DataMiner apps that allow you to monitor an event while it's live. Let's get into it. But first, this is the overview of a digital supply chain use case where a customer can purchase services from a fictitious service provider, the Ziine organization, through their own tailored customer portal. The event is immediately received by the Ziine event planning team, which approves the event. Jobs are assigned to MCR, production, and other teams in the organization. The end goal is to stream a live feed transcoded in AWS and get it out on Media Package and YouTube. On this video, we will monitor the live service. For that, we will look into the DataMiner SDMN app and the Flow Monitoring app. If you remember from the SDMN video, we made a service orchestration type booking to transport the video stream from the stadium in New York to the master control room in LA. So, not only were all resources automatically orchestrated and IP infrastructure set up end-to-end, but also allows you to monitor the service during its runtime. Now, at this point, we have the event currently ongoing. We can see it here on the SDMN app, so we can click on it to open the service. This is the east-west view of the infrastructure transporting the H.264 stream from its source here in New York to its destination there in LA. We can even see the video thumbnails at the bottom. Instead of looking at the event from a more administrative perspective, now, as an IP engineer, I can really start to monitor the stream by diving further into its more technical aspects. If we drill down on the network segment, we can see the IP route through which the stream is flowing, with not only each spine or leaf, but each receiving and transmitting port as well. Let's open one up. When you do, DataMiner will of course scope down the visual overview to the function level. You can always go back to the product level here. This is the multicast table containing network info about the multicast group transporting our football match. We can easily tell by the label down here. Because thanks to DataMiner, an admin operator on some other team using its own app will still pass event data down to lower, more technical layers of the operation and have that data be displayed even in multicast tables. With this enriched data, it becomes really easy to identify which events are being affected when issues occur, instead of mapping it all the way back from goods and IPs, thus making it super convenient. Let's move on to network flows. As an IT engineer, now in another completely different team in the organization, I am more interested in monitoring IP flows. This is the Flow Monitoring app, another customized application designed for IT engineers to use labels to monitor flows and find out what's going on in the network. Here is some basic aggregation and a list of flows. In the highlights page, we can see a node edge map with a bunch of flows. Our Jets v Dolphins event is included in here somewhere. We can use a diverse set of available filtering capabilities to find it. In this case, it is easiest to search it by its event name. This way, we can see which network products, which spine and leaf routers, are being used for that specific stream, with different shapes and colors to tell different types of products apart. It is also possible to pull up product metrics by clicking over the nodes. This will show you things like CPU, memory, power, and other relevant data on your infrastructure. And this is how you can leverage DataMiner to deal with live events. We got to see the powerful monitoring capabilities the SDMN app can bring to you, as well as service-relevant network insights with the Flow Monitoring app. In the next video, we're going to take a look at OTT distribution, linked already in the description down below, which will cap off the full event and job management demo, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you next time.